you dreaming of an unforgettable journey full of exotic adventures, vibrant colors, and untouched nature? In this video, we'll take you to the most breathtaking corners of South America and Africa, from the mysterious landscapes of Peru to the vibrant beauty of Costa Rica. Discover where to conquer the Andes, encounter gorillas in the wild, and relax on the world's most beautiful beaches. Let's go! Exotic Peru. This country is filled with natural wonders and vibrant colors. An exotic trip to Peru offers a chance to see many of them firsthand. A large portion of the land is covered by the Andes, the longest mountain range. Peru is home to the highest navigable lake in the world and the deepest canyon on Earth. The country is washed by the gentle waters of the Pacific Ocean, which meets the coastal desert. In addition to its stunning nature, an exotic tour of Peru will amaze you with its abundance of cultural and historical landmarks. It was the cradle of the great Inca civilization, whose heritage still fascinates: Machu Picchu, Cusco, and the giant Nazca geoglyphs. Peru is divided into three main regions, each with its own climate. The Pacific coast has dry and hot weather. In the lower elevations of the Sierra, the climate is moderate. The Selva region is quite humid. Travelers in Peru will find a variety of unique hotels. Some are located in the jungle, others are built of stone, but all provide top-notch service and a wide range of wellness options to make your exotic stay even more rewarding. Unusual Chile. This is the southernmost country on the planet, only 900 kilometers from Antarctica. Despite its narrow shape, Chile offers entertainment for every taste. An exotic tour here could include skiing, visiting natural landmarks and reserves, over 80 in total. Interestingly, the ski season in Chile runs from June to October, allowing you to enjoy slopes even when European resorts are closed. You can also take an extraordinary trip to Easter Island or the Lakes District. Hotel and tourism services in Chile meet all international standards. You'll find unique hotels nestled in snowy mountains and breathtaking landscapes, many of which are located in nature reserves and serve as ecotourism hubs. Exotic Argentina. Stretching from north to south across South America, Argentina is one of the continent's largest countries. It features multiple climate zones, from tropical to near Antarctic, and a high-quality tourism infrastructure, making it a true travel hotspot. You can explore distant Antarctica from the Tierra del Fuego archipelago. For those seeking a tropical vibe, an exotic journey might include Iguazu Falls, Patagonia, Buenos Aires, and other major cities. Thanks to its diverse climate, exotic travel in Argentina is possible year-round. There's always something to enjoy. Ski resorts in Bariloche are open from mid-June to mid-October. For family holidays, the peaceful beaches of Mar del Plata are recommended. For nightlife lovers, the vibrant beaches of Caroló and Villa Gesell offer unforgettable experiences. Argentina's hotel and tourism industry is well developed, with unique hotels welcoming guests in Buenos Aires, Mendoza, Santa Fe, and more. Adventure in Rwanda. This East African country captivates travelers with stunning volcanoes, serene waterfalls, lakes, and vibrant tribes with unique traditions. On an exotic tour to Rwanda, you can see endangered mountain gorillas, discover local crafts, and indulge in the national cuisine. The hidden treasures of East Africa are sure to charm even the most seasoned traveler. You can meet the Pygmy tribe and observe chimpanzees and gorillas in their natural habitat. The journey comes with high service standards and premium comfort, featuring distinctive lodges and hotels that let you experience the culture without sacrificing convenience. Costa Rica. In Spanish, Costa Rica means rich coast, and the name fits perfectly. This country has it all. An exotic vacation here means majestic mountain ranges, volcanoes, national parks, roaring waterfalls, and sunny beaches with warm, soft sand. You'll also find exceptional and unusual hotels with a high standard of service. This Latin American gem offers a wide range of attractions to amaze even the most experienced travelers. Beaches come in white, gold, silver, and black sands, perfect for relaxation on the Pacific coast. Sport fishing and subsurfing are popular here. Two-thirds of Costa Rica is covered by forests rich in unique flora and fauna. The country is also home to many historical artifacts and protected areas. On the eastern slopes and Caribbean coast, it's quite rainy and humid. The rest of Costa Rica has a mild climate. Average temperature of plus 23 degrees Celsius during the cold season. Winter on the Pacific coast lasts 4 months and is marked by minimal rainfall and possible night frosts down to minus 5 degrees Celsius. South America and Africa are true treasure troves for those seeking new emotions, inspiration, and unforgettable experiences. From the snowy peaks of the Andes to the jungles of Rwanda, each destination impresses with its natural beauty, vibrant culture, and soul-stirring atmosphere. Whether you find yourself in the heart of Patagonia, on the beaches of Costa Rica, or among Chile's volcanoes, your journey is sure to leave a lasting mark. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which country you'd love to visit. See you in the next episode.